Hi everyone! Welcome to another DIY video. Today, we're going to show you how to make a stylish pet bow tie
that will make your furry friends look even more adorable.
Begin by cutting same length of ribbon with different width size. Attach the smaller width of ribbon to add some accent and to make it a bow. At the back of the bow, we will attach another ribbon that is long enough to go around your pet's neck comfortably.
And lastly, to keep the bow tie in place on your pet's neck, attach a hook and loop fastener to the ends of the necklace ribbon. Thank you for watching our DIY tutorial today, and stay tuned because we have some exciting news for you.